Hello, I'm Andrea from the Kahoot community team. Today I'm going to explain the differences between Kahoot AccessPass and the Kahoot Marketplace. Kahoot AccessPass is a premium content subscription that offers a comprehensive library of premium ready-to-use resources from Kahoot. It covers a wide range of topics suitable for all ages and elevates learning, teaching, and fun in any setting. Contrastingly, the Kahoot Marketplace allows verified creators from around the globe to share their expertise and passion by selling their unique, high-quality content to learners and educators everywhere. To access both the Marketplace and AccessPass, simply click on the left menu from the Kahoot platform, right where you find the Home and Discover pages. Happy Kahooting!